Hello everybody, today I want to show you how to build your own mask sterilizer. These are disposable face masks and you can use it only one time. So as I not really like to throw them away, I checked the internet and found that the University of Michigan made some tests, and this test confirmed that the UVC light can kill the COVID-19 virus. To make it more sure also, I take a look to the ozone. The ozone also is able to kill the COVID-19 virus. The links to the website you can find in the description below. So what we need, first of all, we need this UVC lamp, and this lamp can also do ozone and have an integrated timer, so you not need to think about after you switch it on, it switch off automatically, and you have different times. So normal 5 minutes should be enough, but you can set here 15 and 30 minutes also. You can find this on Amazon or on AliExpress, and it should be not more than around $30. The next thing what we need is a motor to rotate the mask. I found an old motor from a microwave and I use this motor. Important, the cable should be isolated because this is 220 volt, and so that's not need to buy. Then we need some aluminum foil and some velcro for the door later on, some clip, paper clip, and some screws to mounting the motor, some staples and a stapler. Then we need 2 wooden plates. This is old wood what I found in the garage. We need some tapes to mounting the things, maybe electric tape later on, a little bit stronger tape for the door, and some tools, a screwdriver, cutter. And for the electric connection we will need some clips. These are auto clips, can open and be closed. Some glue stick to mounting the aluminum foil, and then we need this green, what I have here, a green plastic sheet for the housing. And now I will make a time lapse and show you the assembly. First we mark the plastic board following the wooden plates. We cut through the board, we cut only on the top because it's more easy to bend the board and the board stay together. You get 2 pieces and it makes the things difficult. So just cut through the half. After you cut 3 times only the half, the last cut, we cut through the board because this is the piece what we not need. Now we use the glue stick to mounting the aluminum foil. The aluminum foil we use in the complete inside of the box to better reflect the UVC light. Now we will mounting the floor wooden plate first, and we use the staple it together. We staple only 3 sides because the front we need for the door. So this we left first, and now we start with the top side. Now we will fix the motor, and you have to look that the motor axle is in the center of the wooden plate. Now we use the 2 screws we have to fix the motor. Now we use a paper clip. We just open it so that you get an S, and this clip you can then put to the motor. My motor had already a small hole. I don't know, all the motors have a small hole, but this was fixed, ready for purpose. So if not, you have to make a small hole to the plastic. Maybe you can make the paper clip hot and melt it to the plastic. The wire of the motor, we just let them come out in the middle of the wooden plate. So the housing is finished. Now we have the door, and I will now make the Velcro to the door. I put here, I had a little bit problem with the aluminium foil. I cracked the aluminium foil, but I put some tape over it later. Yeah, important now the Velcro to close the door. I will make it in the center of the door. This is a piece of old Velcro I had. So just I will glue it and staple it to the plastic door. Next thing to do, where I'm mounting the light, I put some clear tape first to the foil, because I'm afraid that the foil, the aluminium foil, is not so strong and the tape will improve this. I'll stick the lamp with double tape, be short enough. You have to ensure that the power plug of the light is on the top. So now we install the power plug for the lamp from the top and plug it into the lamp. Now we have to make the electrical connection. Please be aware this is 220 volts. We do this only when it's plugged off, and you have to put the both brown colors together and the both blue together, and each with one of the motor. We connect behind the switch so that the switch can control the motor and the light. So here's the result. The box is finished. I made some I put some tape and put the electronic timer on the top and just cover the cable with some tape. I have to look for some better box for it to hide the connections. So from inside open it. You can hang your mask. And when we switch on, the timer go automatically to 5 minutes and he will switch on. And then the motor will start to rotate. And so every area of the mask will get UV light. There's also ozone on it. And so the ozone and the UV light will sterilize the mask. You can see how the light go through the mask. This seems to be quite powerful. So when it stops automatically after 5 minutes, timer is now running. And I hope you enjoy this video. In case you like it, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.